Stanford researchers just confirmed what a so-called ordinary housewife channeled 50 years ago. In 2024, Harvard and Google released the most comprehensive brain mapping study in human history.
Welcome to Soul Bridge Stories.
1.4 terabytes of data proving something revolutionary. Your brain doesn't just process reality, it actively constructs it. Every single thing you perceive is being created by your consciousness, moment by moment. This isn't New Age fantasy. This is published science validating what the entity known as Seth revealed through Jane Roberts in the 1970s. When consciousness creates reality became the foundation of quantum physics research that's happening right now in universities across the world. But here's what makes this story impossible to ignore. In 1970, a Yale University psychologist set out to expose Jane Roberts as a fraud. He spent 4 grueling hours interrogating this channeling session. But instead of debunking her, he left her apartment in complete shock. Because Seth, speaking through Jane, had just recited his deceased mother's final words in fluent Russian, a language Jane had never studied, a conversation she could never have known about. The CIA created an entire file on these sessions, not because they believed in channeling, but because this entity kept revealing classified operations, word for word, operations that weren't declassified until 2001. Every prediction came true, every impossible detail checked out. Every scientific revelation was later validated by peer-reviewed research. Tonight, quantum physics consciousness research is finally catching up to what Seth taught decades ago. The most powerful truth in existence. You are not a victim of circumstances. You are the architect of your reality, and everything you experience tomorrow depends on what you choose to believe tonight. You're living inside a projection from the most powerful device in the universe, your consciousness. But here's the devastating truth most people never realize. You've been handed a corrupted script. From the moment you were born, society installed a program in your subconscious. Your parents, your education, the media, they handed you beliefs disguised as wisdom. Money is the root of all evil. Don't get your hopes up. Life is meant to be a struggle. These aren't harmless sayings. They are commands that shape your neural pathways and create your physical reality. Stanford's 2024 research on the reticular activating system proves that your brain literally filters reality based on your beliefs. You don't see what's actually there. You see what your belief system programs you to expect. When you believe in scarcity, your brain highlights every bill you can't pay. When you believe you're unworthy of love, your nervous system sabotages every relationship before it can succeed. This is why reality creation techniques fail for most people. They're trying to paint over the movie screen instead of changing the slide in the projector. Your beliefs are the slides. Your consciousness is the projector. The physical world is just the image being cast. Every limitation you're trying to escape, every struggle that feels permanent, every door that seems locked, exists because somewhere in your subconscious, you believe it has to be that way. The prison has no walls, only beliefs, and beliefs can be changed. Seth's most radical revelation was this: you create your own reality with no exceptions. This isn't motivation. This is physics. The double-slit experiment in quantum physics proves that reality changes based on observation. Quantum entanglement shows that everything in the universe is connected. The observer effect demonstrates that consciousness literally shapes matter. Harvard's brain mapping project revealed something extraordinary. Your brain creates every memory, every perception, every prediction about the future. You're not passively receiving reality. You're actively constructing it, neuron by neuron, belief by belief. MIT's 2024 studies on neuroplasticity meditation show that visualization doesn't just influence your brain, it physically rewires it. Harvard's memory revision therapy achieved an 80% success rate treating PTSD by helping patients rewrite traumatic memories. Your brain treats vivid imagination as real experience. This is the Seth material science connection that changes everything. When you systematically dissolve the limiting beliefs that create your current reality, you access what Seth called your blank slate consciousness. Pure creative potential before conditioning takes over. Here's the technique that serves as your foundation for everything that follows. The Blank Slate Meditation is a surgical procedure for your consciousness. You're going to temporarily erase every programmed limitation and experience yourself as pure creative potential. Sit comfortably where you won't be disturbed. Breathe deeply and systematically erase every identity label you've ever accepted. Watch your name dissolve into dust. Let your age, profession, and gender turn to smoke and fade away. Go deeper. Erase your past, your memories, your successes and failures. Let them all go. Erase even the label of human. Become nothing but pure awareness. From this state of unlimited potential, ask one question. If I could create myself from scratch right now, who would I choose to be? Don't force an answer. Simply notice what feelings, images, or ideas emerge from that void you created. That's a glimpse of your true self, uncorrupted by programming. This is your first taste of freedom. The neuroscience backing is undeniable. You're stepping outside your default mode network, the neural pattern that maintains your conditioned identity. You're accessing the same brain state that produces creative breakthroughs and profound insights. Try this technique tonight before sleep. Just 15 minutes. Don't judge or analyze the experience. Just allow yourself to feel what happens when you dissolve the boundaries of who you think you are. Return to this video and comment with one word describing what you felt. Let's turn this comment section into a live laboratory of consciousness research. I read every comment personally, and I'll be featuring your experiences in the next episode. If you're serious about this transformation, write 3 words in the comments. I am the author. This isn't just for me. It's your contract with your sovereign self. A declaration to the universe that you are now taking command of your reality. This is only the foundation. Episode 2 reveals the invisible prison, keeping 99% of people trapped in limitation. You'll get the exact technique that breaks you free from mental programming and discover why your mind was designed to keep you powerless. The complete transformation requires all 7 episodes. Each one builds on the last, taking you deeper into the advanced protocols that bend reality itself. Subscribe and hit notifications so you don't miss a single breakthrough. In the free guide linked below, you get all 7 reality creation techniques, plus the complete scientific research backing every claim I've made tonight. This is your roadmap for the 6-week journey that transforms you from passive observer to conscious creator. Here's what most people don't understand about consciousness creates reality. Knowledge without action is just entertainment. You can watch 1,000 videos about manifestation, but until you actually dissolve the programmed limitations in your subconscious, nothing changes. The technique I gave you tonight is your first key. Use it. Test it. prove to yourself that your consciousness has the power to reshape your experience of reality itself. You have two choices right now. You can close this video and return to living the script you were handed, accepting the limitations you were taught to believe are permanent. Or you can take the pen and start writing your own story. Your future self is counting on this moment. The reality you experience next week, next month, next year is being determined by what you choose to believe right now. The quantum physics consciousness research is clear. The neuroplasticity meditation studies are undeniable. The Seth material science validation is complete. You have the power. You always have. The only question is, what reality will you choose to create? The pen is in your hand. What happens next is entirely up to you.